During Wednesday's daily briefing with Oneida County Executive Anthony Pacenti, he said that there are now 9 new cases of coronavirus in Oneida County. That's now bringing the total to 55. And of the people that tested positive, 43 of those cases are active and 12 have fully recovered. The number of positive cases has doubled every 2 days for the past 6 days in Oneida County. And yesterday, March 31st, we saw our first fatality in the county from the virus. Typically, the state's budget is in place by April 1st, but it's still not complete, and Pacenti says that the proposed budget is aiming to cut many healthcare services during a time where New Yorkers need it most. No word yet on when the budget is said to be complete. All campgrounds or camping colonies in Oneida County are closed from today, April 1st, until July 1st, and this effort is being done to limit the places where people can congregate and hopefully slow down the spread of COVID-19. On Wednesday, Mayor Robert Palmieri shared tips on staying safe against coronavirus and local resources available to residents. To contact the Oneida County Health Department about COVID-19, please call the number 315-798-5431, and the New York State Department of Health coronavirus hotline number is 1-888-364-3065. If you have a medical emergency, call 911. On Wednesday, Congressman Anthony Brindisi's office released a statement saying that Utica will receive nearly $1.5 million in emergency solutions grants, and this comes after Congress passed the Coronavirus Aid, Relief, and Economic Securities Act, also abbreviated as CARES. The CARES Act offers economic relief for workers, businesses, healthcare organizations, and support for state, local, and county governments. The emergency solutions grants will support families and individuals experiencing homelessness and homeless assistance programs to help solve the impact of this pandemic. Constituents with questions about coronavirus and the federal response can visit the website brindisi.house.gov/coronavirus. Attorney General Letitia James is encouraging all New Yorkers to complete the consensus questionnaire so that the state can get an accurate count of the population. An accurate count will also ensure that New York gets its fair share in federal funding for things like public schools, health care, road maintenance, and transportation. April 1st is known as Census Day, but in response to the coronavirus pandemic, the United States Census Bureau is extending the deadline until April 15th. For more information on the census, you can visit their website, 2020census.gov. And during Wednesday's daily briefing with Governor Cuomo, he said that the state now has 83,712 positive cases of COVID-19. 12,226 positive patients are hospitalized, and 1,941 people have passed away from the virus. That's almost a 200 person increase just within the past 24 hours, and one of those deaths being right here in Oneida County. Cuomo said that the state still needs 110,000 hospital beds and 37,000 ventilators. Right now, there are 75,000 beds available and 25,000 ventilators. The Regeneron Pharmaceuticals is creating 500,000 COVID-19 tests, and Corning Inc. has donated 100,000 tubes for testing. Healthcare professionals are still unsure as to when the apex will hit. Some models are predicting late April and others are predicting early May. So be sure to frequently check our website, CNY homepage, for all of the latest updates on COVID-19.